start recording already. Okay. Hey y'all. Anthony Wyatt. Back at you again.
Going to the Sugarland Rock House. A house made out of rock candy. Woo! Look, a pink Jeep.
Whoa, we haven't seen one of those in a while.
Woo!
How does he see out of this thing?
You don't see, you just hope that you're getting video.
Oh,
if you're
that's
me, Dad's a pro. I'm not good at it at all.
understandable.
GPS signal lost.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, y'all. We're going off-roading. Off the grid.
Off the grid.
No man's land. Get lost. Uh-oh. Get some of this over here with the trees over here. They're just completely different than the trees over there.
Uh-huh. I think his battery's about to die. It's
Aww.
blinking and yeah. What does this button do?
I'll just play it until it either dies or until we get to the rock house.
Okey dokey.
Because we should be there in a minute.